Managing PTO requests doesn't have to mean a flooded inbox. Using ADP's time-off tracking centralizes requests and keeps balances accurate. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Employees submit requests through their ADP self-service portal. As a manager, you'll get notifications in your ADP dashboard under Time Off or Approvals. You can view the request, the employee's current balance, and any potential conflicts. Click to approve or deny. Once approved, the system automatically deducts the time from their balance and can block the time on their timesheet. My crucial pro tip: set up approval chains. For larger teams, configure requests to go first to a direct supervisor, then to HR for final approval. This distributes the workload and ensures company policy is followed at each step. Streamline approvals and say goodbye to email chaos. How do you handle peak vacation times when multiple requests conflict? For more tips on managing teams efficiently, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.